In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete your report packages. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your package's enterprise or location selected, then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and select Packages. From the list on the left, choose the package you would like to edit. Now you can change anything about this package. You could rename it, give it a different description, choose a new design, which is the report the package pulls, choose a new filter, select a different style. Maybe I want a style other than the default. I can choose this arrow, and let's say I want the pink style. To save your change, choose Save, and now that new style has been saved. To view any of these changes, click the View button in the top right-hand corner. Now my package is pink and gray instead of the default. To go back to your package to edit it, choose Edit, and now you're back at your package details. To edit how your package is being sent, click the current delivery method under Deliveries. You can change the name of your delivery, the type, whether it's sent all the time or only when there's data. Maybe I don't like the PDF attachment. Maybe I want to choose this and select an HTML email. I could change the effective date. Right now it is effective from the current date to forever. Maybe I want this delivery to end at the end of the month. So I'll click this icon and choose the 31st. Right now this report is being sent weekly, and it's being sent on Mondays at 6 a.m. If I'm happy with my changes, I can choose Save, and now that delivery method has been changed. If I scroll down, I can exit out of this window. If you want, you could add a new delivery by clicking Add and filling out all of that same information again. So you can have a package sent in more than one way and to different people in different ways. I'll go ahead and exit out of this window. If I want to delete a delivery entirely, I can click on that delivery and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that delivery. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that delivery has been deleted completely. If I want to delete this package, I can choose Delete. Again, TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete this package. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that package has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete a package and the way it's being sent. Check out the next video to learn more about reports in TeamWork 5.